Les from Ridgid. I'm here with a VF99 folding pipe support stand from Ridgid. Adjustable from 71 to 132 millimeters, and it has some key productive features. Easy V design to support the pipe, easily adjustable and easy up and down with a V handle and the release plate. Optional bulk transfer valves, heads that can be put on, excellent for use with pipe threading machines and roll grooving. And one of the key features is a folding stand, which the stand easily folds for transport and storage. Saves you 84% of the space of a rigid fixed stand, but still with all the benefits.